Do you want to improve your English, but you are not able to do it? Yeah, I am also want to improve my English, but I am not improved yet. Hello friends, welcome to my channel and my name is Nitin Jain and I have started something interesting which is called 75 day hard English speaking challenge. So in which we have to do 6 tasks every day which consume your something about 1 hour uh, daily time. Uh, so it will help you to improve your English and English speaking and English communication as well as. We all have to do this task every day, every single day in 75 days. And if we are unable to do this task or any specific task at any specific day, so we have to start this challenge from day one again, and we have to promise to each other to complete this task, because this task or challenge will help ourselves to improve our English gradually and slowly, because when we make a good habit, uh, we have to stick on it. I am telling you confidently, if you able to do this challenge for 75 days, your English speaking or English communication will improve 100x. So all of you think, what will we have to do in these 75 days? So we have to do six tasks every day. So first one is speaking English. So most of you telling me we don't know English. So how can we speak in English? Don't know how to speak English, but I try to do it. So also you have to try to do it at least 15 minutes in a day. If you able to do this, your English improve 100x. And so next task is reading. So reading is a good habit, uh, whether you read book, newspaper, editorials, or anything. So we have to build this habit, reading English newspaper, books, or anything, uh, reading 2 pages every day. And when we don't know any word or vocab in these pages, in these 2 pages, so we have to mark or write that vocab or word in English. And after completion of reading, we have to search on translator these words, and we have to write their meaning in our native language. So if we can do this, we learn new vocab also, and we uh, also improve our English speaking, and give our mind to signal to communicate or gather information in English. So our next task is to learn new vocab. So if you are reading English content, so you have learned most of the vocab words, but you will also have to learn new vocab for different sources. So you have a internet, you have a mobile, so you have to search the new vocabularies every day, at least learn 5 new vocabularies in a day. So our next task is thinking in English. So we have to think in English at least 10 to 15 minutes. So how we think in English? We have to sit in a corner in our room or silent place, and we have to think about our day, or what we will to do uh, in next day or in our future. So we will have to think things in our mind, because uh, we always think in our native language. So we in whenever we in real conversation, we have to think in our native language and translate it in English. So it will take lots of our time and effort. So we will have to build the habit of thinking in English. So this will help ourselves to improve English. So our next task is listening English. So listening is a very powerful tool. uh, all we have to do is listen any podcast, any news channel, any English content, any English web series or movie. So whenever you listen English content, you learn how to speak a specific word or its pronunciation. And we also learn the uh, how to understand English, because in our life we always speak ourselves, talking to ourselves, but we don't have habit to listen anyone. So listening is a good habit. We have to build this habit, and when we build this habit, uh, listening to others, it's help ourselves to improve our English. So last task is to write one page in English every day. So whenever you write the mm, uh, any page, you think about it something and then you write it. uh, Whatever you want to write about your day, about a specific moment, or what you want to do in future. So all have you want to do it, uh, uh, write one page and then review it, and mark those mistakes you have done, grammatically or another mistakes. So try next time to don't do these such type of mistakes in next times. It will also help to improve our English. So during this 75 days journey, I will have used some tools or apps which uh, which will help me to improve my English, or easier this task, easier to complete this task. So first app is Duolingo. It is a good app, and in which we all learn English in a uh, game way. uh, we will complete the chapters and gain the points, or learn new vocab. And uh, we in this app we learn uh, new English concept in very easy way. So it is a good app. We have to use this app in during this challenge period. And second app is peer up app. So peer app is a very good for speaking. Uh, in our task we have to speak at least 10 to 15 minutes. So in peer up app, and I will have to notify you. These all apps are free. You don't have to pay anything to anyone. So peer up app is a very good app for speaking English with real peoples. In this app, peoples are coming to improve our English from different countries, different regions, and you will talk different peoples about different topics. So it is a good app. You will have to use it. And third app is I will used in my this 75-day journey is translator. So one specific translator which name is English Hindi dictionary. So this is a good app in which whenever you don't know the exact meaning of a specific word, you will have to type the word and search it, and you will this app will give you the exact meaning of that word in your native language. And this app also maintain the history of these words. So whenever you have free time, you go on the history sections and revise those words which you don't know. So it is a good app. So you will have to use these three app in the 75 days of the journey. So if you want to join me in this journey, or you also want to start your journey to learn English, you will have to do it these 6 tasks every day until 75 days are finished. And type in the comments I am in, so I know you are doing this task. And also I am post every day one single video in which I share my progress, struggles and tips to you all to improve English and to share this journey. So if you want to join this journey, subscribe to my channels, like this video and comment I am in if you want to improve your English. So we will meet very next day. Thank you for watching.